Alright guys, let's have a look at what we got in here. So this is the Ridge Rider 100mm LED driving lights with the wiring harness included. So as we open her up, you can see we've got a little bit of a mounting bracket kit. That's pretty decent. So we got the manual over here. If we have a quick look inside there, see how comprehensive this bad boy is. Oh yeah, shows you how to mount, shows you how to wire. That doesn't look too bad actually. You get a little relay kit with it. Sick. I'm actually going to splice this. I'm going to try and splice this anyway into a moped's existing wiring. But let's see how we go with that. So there's light numero uno. There's light numero uno. And then this is your wiring kit. God damn. That's a lot. Well, I'll probably need this. I'll probably need the fuse, but as for everything else, I'm not sure. Oh, should I splice into it? Should I splice into the existing wiring with just the fuse kit? Well, there's my fuse there. Or should I actually do it properly and run it back to the battery? Alright guys, couldn't actually get these to work on my little jury rig, which wasn't very promising for my moped setup. So what I did was I just cut into it. And I was like, are these lights working? Let's see. So, is she on at the moment? No, that's good. Actually a constant light. The flickering that you see is kind of like an effect of the camera. But yeah, so she does work. I'll leave that on for a couple of minutes to make sure that there's no issues with it coming straight out of the 12 volt, not off the relay. But what I'm probably going to do is just splice it into my existing high beams and then just mount it up from there. Alright guys, after using the new lights as a bit of a test light for a while, I figured out that the blue and the black and the red and the greens go together. Twisted those bad boys together, chucked a bit of soldering on it, bit of heat shrink, after establishing that they would work. So let's go for a little test run with everything hooked up and soldered. Hopefully it's been soldered correctly and there's no bloody misconnections, because that'd be annoying. Someone I forgot to give a shout out to in one of my previous videos on this bike. There's that. One's working. Now, a bit of a safety thing with this bike is you would put the kickstand on and it will automatically shut off everything, which is cool except for when you're trying to make videos. As you can see, again, they're not flickering like that, it's just that the frame rates of the light of the camera are better than frame rates in real life. So yeah, check that we got full turn. Yep. Cool. And there's the end results, guys, with all the plastics and stuff back on. Got some working spotlights so people will be slightly more sorry when they cut me off. And yeah, as you can see in the dark finally, which would be great. Anyway, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and give us a comment below.